Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a classic beauty that's recently come out of Florida, the 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air. If you're a fan of classic cars or just appreciate a well-maintained ride, stick around because this one is definitely worth your attention. The 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air is known for its iconic design, and this one is no exception. It's in superb shape, having spent most of its life in Florida. This means it's been spared from harsh weather conditions, which is always a huge plus. The body's exceptionally clean and solid, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable classic car that doesn't require a lot of work. One of the standout features of this Bel Air is its chrome. It's in fantastic condition and shines brilliantly, adding that extra touch of elegance and style that classic car enthusiasts love. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a car show, this car is sure to turn heads. So, if you're in the market for a classic car that's both stylish and in excellent condition, the 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air might be just what you're looking for. It's a clean, solid car with fantastic chrome, ready to be driven and enjoyed. Don't miss out on the chance to own this piece of automotive history. Number 2, the 1949 Plymouth Convertible Special Deluxe. This stunning vehicle is not just a car. It's a piece of history that's been lovingly restored and modernized for your driving pleasure. Let's take a closer look at what makes this Plymouth so special. This eye-catching finish is paired with original chrome embellishments that give the car a touch of classic elegance. The split windshield provides a clear view, while the tear-free burgundy canvas top, equipped with a Mustang pump, adds a sleek vintage feel. The car features 2 bucket seats in the front and a spacious bench seat in the rear. All seats are upholstered in rich caramel leather, complete with custom Plymouth design embroidery that perfectly complements the candy apple exterior and top. His car is equipped with electric brakes from ABS in orange CA, ensuring precise stopping power. The classic gauges on the dashboard add a nostalgic touch, while the Pioneer stereo with CD player, GPS, and backup camera bring modern convenience. Power front windows and air conditioning add to the comfort, and operable fog lamps ensure visibility in any weather. Additionally, power seats offer customizable comfort for an enjoyable ride. Number 3, the 1955 Ford Fairlane Victoria 2-door hardtop. This car is a true gem, and we can't wait to dive into what makes it so special. So, let's get started. This 1955 Ford Fairlane Victoria is a beautiful 2-door hardtop, which means it has that classic, sleek, pillarless design that gives it an extra touch of elegance. The paint is in fantastic condition, showcasing the vintage charm that's hard to beat. One of the standout features of this Fairlane Victoria is its power disc brakes. They provide excellent stopping power, ensuring that you not only look good, but also stay safe on the road. Overall, this 1955 Ford Fairlane Victoria is a real nice car that combines classic style with modern driving comfort. It's a fantastic example of mid-50s American automotive design and performance. And here's the best part. You can own this beauty for just $15,000. If you're interested, don't hesitate to reach out. This classic is priced to sell, and you won't want to miss out on the chance to make it yours. Number 4, the 1950 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe, affectionately known as Roxy. This beauty has been a highlight of our Saturday outings and has been a star in several product photos and magazine shoots over the past 2 years. But now we're ready for something new, so we're sharing this gem with you. The classic styling of this Chevrolet is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The attention to detail in the paint and bodywork makes it stand out as a pristine example of mid-20th century automotive design. Inside, Roxy features a clean, well-preserved interior that matches the classic feel of the exterior. While it doesn't have air conditioning, the spacious cabin and comfortable seats provide a nostalgic driving experience. If you're looking for a classic car that combines style, reliability, and a touch of nostalgia, Roxy is ready to become part of your collection. Number 5, the 1947 Plymouth Special Deluxe. This vintage beauty isn't just a piece of automotive history. It's a smooth-running, road-worthy example of mid-20th century American engineering. Let's take a closer look at this stunning two-door classic, powered by a flathead 6 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. Buckle up and join me on this nostalgic ride. The car's sleek lines and elegant curves really capture the essence of late 1940s automotive styling. The chrome accents and the distinctive Plymouth grille add a touch of sophistication. Despite its age, the paint job still shines with that classic 1940s charm. And check out those stylish two-door lines. This car's got a lot of character. The 1947 Plymouth Special Deluxe, a true classic that stands the test of time with its stylish design, reliable flathead 6 engine, and smooth driving experience. If you're a fan of vintage cars, or just appreciate well-maintained classics, this Plymouth is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for joining me on this tour of automotive history. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car content. See you next time.